Friends, welcome to the channel Surya TV Jobs, and you can even search this channel in the YouTube as Surya TV TSPSC. Now, this is the part of 2, which already we discussed about the part 1 about the map pointing of paper 1, and this is map pointing of paper 2 of part 2. So, let me discuss this. So, how to score better marks in the paper 2. This is what the video is about, and generally, basically, most of the people, well, the exam started, then by the time or even they have done even revision also. So for that year, basically most of the students are generally makes the problematic condition over here is, so they start doing of what going on through by the lesson from starting of 12 to 21. So then even they'll search for the pointing where exactly is take place in a particular lesson. So this is what the a problem where the people will going to be get the less marks. Now nothing but here 4 out of 4. So generally what we have done is, so very easiest method where the children can score better marks in the paper 2 of map pointing. So this is what it is a simple way the students can be score here. So but most of the children will want to skip this one, so they will not be bothered about this one part map pointing, because here we're going to score for paper 1 4 and even for paper 2 also 4 marks. But most of the students will want to be keep on the view here. It is simple manner we can score well. So this is the part where, so what is the major thing is required for is, generally we need to be divide the map pointing on the basis of the general continents. Generally if we take part of whatever the lessons are there from 12 to 21, so if you divide these particular continent on the base of continent, then easily we can score 4 out of 4. So generally what is nothing but here, generally you can take for example whatever the world wars took place, right? So how the question paper of map pointing 2 will going to be in question paper 2 of the paper, right? So generally here what is the thing is that, so what we have to do is how to score better marks in the map pointing of paper 2. Let's we go ahead. Then generally here, so we need to focus on those area where, like for example North America, right? So what I'm going to say is the simple trick which can be easily to obtain the marks are very easily the paper 2 of map pointing. So North America, then even Europe continent, right? Europe continent, as well even Asia, okay, Asia and as well as Africa. If you clearly observe that, if you clearly observe the map pointing of paper 2, then without this particular continent the question may not going to be arise, because from North America one country they will ask, from Europe one country they will ask, and Asia and Africa one country. So here you can score 3 marks here. Generally you can score 3 marks. The remaining 1 mark, what about it? It is nothing but generally they want to ask you that the capital city in a different way, or maybe the people will go to ask in a different way. They, for example, so generally what is the capital of generally of Russia, like this they may ask, or where exactly the United Nations organization is located. So these type of questions are general. So in the map pointing view, that moreover they will not be pointed. If you go through by the exam point of view from 2012 to up to now, so whatever the question paper, if you go through it thoroughly, then you will find that the North American country 1, Europe country 1, and Asia and Africa country is 1. So here it is a very easiest way to score marks, but we need to focus on this particular area. That's it, to get off 3 out of 3, nothing but here 3 marks. So here cities or capitals, a different one question where, because they want to trust where. So this is what the 1 mark where the people will going to trust those, nothing but here who going to be scored 10 out of 10. So for those people it's a tricky question they want to ask you, but nothing is very difficult to score in the map pointing. So this is general way we need to be do it. So what about the other continent, like even you can ask a question here, like for example Australia is there, right? Then even South America is there. So they won't be trust on that one, they will trust on this particular area, because most of you, if you concern the World War two or one has been went on to it, remaining the Asia and Africa, which was pressured by the World War. Then what about the remaining lessons? For example, so these are the particular lessons where 12, and even it is collaborated with the 19th lesson even. So what about the remaining lessons means here? That is what I said you that. So whatever the capital cities are here, even the one more thing is going to be remaining lessons. We're going to find like Constitution of India or liberation, right? Liberation. So liberation of movements, or else for example it, and even if you go for further it, okay, the post-war or social movement in our country or Telangana. So these are the things where from particularly of this particular 1 mark area they will going to ask you. The remaining thing 3 marks will going to come from this particular area. So this is what the examiner will want to be question the students on this part. So in coming lectures definitely we're going to be do better on map pointing, how to score well in easiest way. Then for that, then you need to subscribe our channel, like our channel, and share our videos, and search this channel of Surya TV Jobs or Surya TV TSPSC in YouTube. Thanks for watching Surya TV.